What is the software as a service business model, or SaaS? Well, generally you can understand SaaS by comparing it to the traditional software model. Generally, software was a program used on a computing device created by a company where you would buy the software, you would download it onto your computer, and then it would provide some level of function or utility for you. Software as a service evolved into a scenario where the company allows you access to its software to perform a function, but the company continues to provide services to you through the explanation of how to use the product, adding additional features, support, things like that, and you continue to rent access to that software for use through the company. And as such, the software becomes a service provided to you by that company that's providing it. So in summary, that's the software as a service model. Now, what are the key characteristics of the SaaS business model? One, you have function. That is, the software does a function that the customer or client needs. So it is providing, in a way, a service to them. Two, it's packaged by the company as a service rather than simply a product that is purchased one time that you own. It's generally delivered remotely, that is through the internet. So through a web browser, you would access this service. You would probably have a login account, and then you would be able to use that software through the web browser by visiting the website or internal database of the SaaS provider. Okay, and the key characteristic of the SaaS model, it is highly repeatable. That is, the same service, the same function can be repeated over and over very easily without changing anything. It's an established functioning program that anyone who signs up can access, and the actual services provided are repeatable. It is scalable in that the software is created once and it can be used to reach many customers. There may be load requirements on the system and things like that, but by and large, once the program is designed, it does not change per customer. It is not made uniquely for that customer and then has to be remade again later for another customer. That is, it is completely scalable from that original creation. So a single creation can reach a large audience, and thus the model can be scaled out widely to whoever needs it. So in summary, this is the software as a service, or SaaS business model.